Welcome to Praket Consultancy Private Limited. Please subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications on the latest videos. Today we will know about the difference between job enlargement and job enrichment. What is job enlargement? Job enlargement means increasing the scope of a job through extending the range of its job duties and responsibilities, generally within the same level and periphery. Job enlargement involves combining various activities at the same level in the organization and adding them to the existing job. It is also called the horizontal expansion of the job activities. Example, a person in a bank who looks after the accounts receivable department is given a job enlargement and now is supposed to handle cash receivables as well as account maintenance and statement generation for customers. Job enrichment. Job enrichment is the process of adding motivators to existing roles in order to increase satisfaction and productivity for employee. That is, adding new tasks or dimensions to a role with a focus on making it more engaging and motivating employees. It refers to planning and organizing the tasks, responsibilities, and overall workload of an employee in order to gain more control over the work. Job enrichment is a process for motivating employees. It is the addition of tasks to the employees for enhancing responsibilities and control. Example, a warehouse worker whose primary job is stocking cells could also be given job enrichment of processing incoming inventory and fill order slips. Let us see the comparison table between job enlargement and job enrichment. Concept. Job enlargement is a job design technique. Job enrichment is a management tool. Core idea. Increasing the quantity of work to expand the scope of a job. Focuses on increasing the quality of work. Objective. Job enlargement aims at reducing the monotony of performing the same task and improving the skills and productivity of an employee. It may also be done in times of economic crunches or downsizing. Job enrichment aims at boosting the morale of the employee to encourage more self-discipline, confidence, and accountability to make the job more challenging. Expansion. Job enlargement restructures a job in horizontal expansion. Job enrichment restructures a job in vertical expansion. Motivation. Job enlargement motivates unskilled and semi-skilled employees to perform better. Job enrichment motivates skilled employees by increasing job satisfaction and boosts control. Skill requirement of employee. Job enlargement requires no extra skills. Job enrichment requires extra skills. Performance. Job enlargement positively implies the employee's output. Job enrichment positively compels the performance of a task of employees. Level of authority. Job enlargement. The level of authority of an employee remains the same. Job enrichment. The level of authority of an employee increases. Level of responsibility. Job enlargement. The level of responsibility of an employee remains the same. Job enrichment. The level of responsibility of an employee increases. Supervision. Job enlargement demands the supervision of employer. Job enrichment do not require supervisory control on employees. It is self-directed. Results. The results may be positive or negative on the employee in job enlargement. The results are always positive effects on the employee in job enrichment. Dependence. Job enlargement is not dependent on job enrichment. Job enrichment is usually dependent on job enlargement. Job enlargement and job enrichment are both considered as a motivational tool for the employees by the organization. While job enlargement increases the productivity and skills of employees, job enrichment aims at boosting their morale and increasing job satisfaction. Job enlargement is perfect for unskilled or semi-skilled workers in small and medium organizations. However, it may increase dissatisfaction as the workload is increased. The compensation to the employees remains the same. Job enrichment is perfect for large and centralized organizations as it grants more authority to employees, making work simpler and more efficient. It also improves job satisfaction and allows employees to focus on their own development. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get the notifications on the latest videos.